Hey everyone, meet the Vivo V40, the ultimate ZEISS portrait mastery phone that'll turn you into a professional photographer overnight. This phone is packed with features that might just make your current phone feel like it's been left in the Stone Age. So buckle up and let's explore this tech wonder together. First up, let's talk about the camera, because we all love a good selfie and this phone takes it to a whole new level. The Vivo V40 boasts a remarkable 50-megapixel ZEISS OIS main camera, a 50-megapixel ZEISS group selfie camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. With 2.8x light intake, it's like having a mini sun in your pocket. Great for those low-light situations. Like when you're trying to take a picture at a party, but the lights are lower than your self-esteem after that failed dance move. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera gives you a 119 degrees view. And for the selfie lovers out there, the 50-megapixel group selfie camera with AI facial contouring technology is a game changer. Now, if you're into video creation, the Vivo V40 doesn't disappoint. With ZEISS cinematic portrait video capabilities, you can take the director's chair. Focus transitions are smoother than a buttered slide, letting you capture those epic cinematic moments. And speaking of capturing that perfect shot, let's not forget about lighting. The studio quality Aura light comes with AI 3D studio lighting. It's like having a professional lighting kit on hand. Take a moment to appreciate the colors. The Vivo V40 comes in stunning colors like Nebula Purple, Moonlight White, Meteor Blue, Sunglow Peach, and Stellar Silver. The fluorite sparkles and jade textures make it look so sleek that you might think twice before letting anyone borrow it. Now, let's talk about the brains behind the beauty. The Vivo V40 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 mobile platform, delivering lightning-fast performance and crazy efficiency. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running 40 apps in the background, the V40 doesn't break a sweat. Talking about storage, you can multitask like a pro with 12 GB of RAM plus 12 GB of extended RAM. And don't worry about running out of space, because the 512GB storage can handle over 93,000 HD photos, 15,600 lossless music tracks, or 228 resource-intensive games. And if you're someone who lives on your phone, battery matters a lot. The Vivo V40 holds a 5,500 mAh Blue Volt battery. It's powerful, compact, and combined with 80-watt FlashCharge, you can go from 0 to 100% in no time. With its high energy density, you'll enjoy longer battery life without compromising on performance. The Vivo V40 comes with IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance. So whether you accidentally drop it in the sink or face the rain on your way to work, this phone can handle it. And when it comes to sound, the dual stereo speakers will blow your mind. Closed-box dual stereo speakers provide a surround sound experience, so whether you're watching action-packed movies or jamming to music, you'll be fully immersed. Now let's talk about the display. The 1.5K ultra-clear sunlight display is here to make sure your viewing experience is top-notch. With 60.7% higher local peak brightness, everything looks vibrant, even under the sun. In terms of size, it measures 164.16 millimeters in height, 74.93 millimeters in width, and 7.58 millimeters in thickness. Weighing just 190 grams, it's designed to be both lightweight and compact. In terms of connectivity, the Vivo V40 supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, USB 2.0, GPS, OTG, and NFC. And what's included in the box? You get the Vivo V40, a quick start guide, a USB cable, charger, eject tool, phone case, protective film, and a warranty card. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share your thoughts about the Vivo V40 in the comments below. Vivo V40, master every moment with ZEISS.